Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. I'm having a look today to show you the three things that I look for in the ACY.Cloud on a daily basis. So let's share that screen with you right now. So I'm going to go to the login for the ACY.Cloud. Lots of things we can do in there. First step, of course, let's make sure our email is correct, password, click the left login button and we're in. Okay, so that gets us into this ACY.Cloud. What I want to have a look at, first of all, each day is I want to go in and go over to this far right side. You'll have market, so we can see what the market's doing. But below that, I'm looking at the economic calendar. Simple left click. That then gives me the calendar of events that could come out and affect different currencies throughout the day, week, or month. You can choose just up at the top left how you want this filtered. And this is the key part. So I'm looking at today. So let's have a look. We've already had, for example, we've got 2-star or medium events that might affect currency. The 1-star, and then if we scroll down, you'll see there's a 1-star with you there on telling us that in France, the All Saints Day is on. But if we go down, you'll see this red one. So that's coming out at 12:45. So that could have a high impact event, 3 stars. So 3-star event, 12:45, we're looking at about, just over 15 minutes. So I should keep an eye out for that as I'm planning my day out. And then there'll be further events throughout the day. Now, if you're like me and you want to get rid of the low impact events, you can come up and filter them. So just click on this filter button, left click, and untick this impact event. So the low impact events I'm getting rid of, and I simply go apply and filter. And there all the low impacts are gone. So I've got a simple way of scrolling through and having a look at what events could affect different currencies throughout the day. All right. Other than that, I want to go in, especially on a Monday morning, and I'll come in on the left-hand side here. So under Trading Cup, I'm looking for training. So I'll come in and I'll click online training there. So left click, online training, and I want to enroll in my webinars for the week with Duncan Cooper. So you'll see here, for example, very simple process. The first webinar is tomorrow evening, understanding a candlestick chart and identifying candlestick patterns. It's always good to get a refresher from Duncan, even if you are partly familiar with it. And you just come over to the right, and as you can see there, I'm already enrolled. Below, I can click on Wednesday's event and go click to enroll. It's that simple. An email will come out to you and let you also know a couple of hours before and just before the webinar, so you can click on the link and basically the webinar will just start using Zoom. Very simple process. Up the top left here, you can see the webinars I'm already enrolled in. So this is for this Tuesday night webinar. I'm looking forward to that, and it lets me know that it's in 1 day, 7 hours, etc., to see what webinars I need to follow. And there's also a Zoom link there, which I'm hovering over now. So you can left click on that. That will open it up around your webinar and you'll be ready to go. The third thing I look at perhaps is from trading colleagues. So I'll click on FinLogix. So FinLogix, left click, and I'll go latest analysis, because this allows me then to see any trade ideas that are coming up and what people's thoughts are on those particular trades. So you can see here there's some gold bullish impulse if you're interested in gold, or the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar, what's happening there. It's good to see other people have done the hard work to isolate opportunities, and then you can easily go in and click on any one of these. For example, let's click on copper, and we can get a quick rundown on what their thoughts are, the charts. We can see how their particular trade idea is going, and they will be the 3 things that I do on a daily basis. So just quickly to recap, I go over to, and remember to get rid of this particular trade idea, I just hit the X. So to recap that for you all, I'm going to go to the dashboard and start my day off. There's a picture of Duncan there. He's a strapping young lad, isn't he? So I'll go over to the far right, second button down, I'll choose economic calendar, and I can see all the news events coming out there. I can filter them. Then I'll go over and I can enroll in my under training. So I can go into training and I can go online training, and I can simply click to enroll into one of Duncan's webinars, or I could go down and look at some of the training videos as well. So lots of training videos in there, lots of trade ideas coming up for you to watch people's videos on them, and also some education videos if you're wondering about how to use your platform and so forth. The third thing, just to recap that, is FinLogics. So I'll go into FinLogics and I want to see what the latest analysis is. So in here, I can get a quick gauge, knowing what news is coming out. I can come in and have a look for potential trade ideas. And that is, in essence, how I'm going to use the platform each morning on a daily basis. I hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon.